Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your Emirates Skywards account password. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below, which shows the latest offers and deals. To start, open the website, then click on Login. Now on this page, under the password field, you will see a red text that says Forgot/Create Password. Click on Forgot/Create Password. Next, enter your email or Emirates Skywards number. After entering, click on Reset Password. So on this page, Emirates will send you an email with a link to reset your password. On the email, you will see a red text that says Set Your Password. Click on Set Your Password. Then, you will be redirected to Emirates website. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering, click on Set Password. Then, you could now log in with your email or Emirates Skywards number and password. That's how you reset your Emirates Skywards account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.